So here's an unbelievable story. I'm driving my son to school and my tire pressure warning light comes on. So I pull over and discover that I have a flat tire. So it's a Michelin 265/35 ZR21, which is not the most common size in the world. So I'm thinking to myself, this is going to be really, really bad because it's going to be a difficult tire to replace, especially because I discovered that it's a sidewall failure. Pull into my local shop and with very little hopes, and I'm expecting them to say to me, we'll put on a spare or something, or we'll have to go order it and leave the car overnight while they order the new tire. Well, guess what? They happen to have the exact same tire, same size, same brand, same model, everything, sitting on the rack. What are the chances? So now they're putting it on, I'm gonna have the exact same tire. I don't even have to buy a replacement tire later on to match the other tree because it's the identical tire. What are the chances?